Hello students, so today we will discuss about finding the area of isosceles triangle. We have already completed how to find the area of an equilateral triangle by using the formula root 3 by 4 into side square. And today we will discuss how to find the area of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means a triangle in which the two sides are equal. Okay. So in which the two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. Okay, so the basic area formula for isosceles triangle is, you have to keep in mind it that it is half whole into base into height. This is the basic area formula for isosceles triangle. Okay. So the area is half whole into base into height. So in this triangle ABC, it is an isosceles triangle. In this triangle, the base part is, which part is the base part? This is the base part. Why? Because it is parallel to the base. Okay, it is parallel to the base. That is why it is also known as base part. These two are two equal sides. Okay, these two are sides. Then what is the height? Height is this part. This is the peak point vertex A, and height is this part. This is 90 degree. What is height? Height is the minimum distance. Okay, height is the perpendicular distance, or you can say minimum distance. Okay, from the top of the triangle to the base. Okay, so in between 2 points, the minimum distance is called the height, and you have to remind that the height always 90 degree to the base. Clear? Suppose I am saying, if there is this is the base, suppose this is the ground, and a pole is standing like this, tilted towards the right. Okay, so can you suppose this length is 5 cm, this pole's length is 5 cm. Okay, then what is the height of this pole? Could we say this is the height of the pole? No, the height of the pole is the distance from the tip to the base, which is perpendicular. Okay, suppose this is the base and the pole is standing like this, then does it the distance or does it the height of the pole? No, this is not the height of the pole. The height of the pole is from the tip to the base, the minimum distance, or you can say the perpendicular distance. This is the height of the pole. Or you can say, suppose this is the sea or water. Okay, this is the pond or water or sea, and a flower is like this. This is a flower. Then if a question asks us what is the height of the flower, then you can say the height of the flower is the perpendicular distance from the tip of the flower to the ground, to the sea level. Okay, to the sea level. This is not the height. This is the height, the perpendicular distance. Similarly, the perpendicular distance from the tip of the triangle to the base is known as the height, and this part is known as height part. Okay, now it is clear what is the height part. Okay, suppose I am drawing a triangle like this, then if it asks us to find the height, then what is the height? You have to first find the tip position. This is the tip position, this is the base position. So the perpendicular distance from the tip position to the base, the perpendicular distance is known as the height. So this is the height part. Now clear? So the area of isosceles triangle is half into base into height. Now we know what is base, and we can identify what is the height of the triangle. Clear? So in order to find area, we need these two terms, base and height. One more thing you have to keep in mind, that for an isosceles triangle, Okay, for an isosceles triangle like this, for an isosceles triangle, the height, suppose the height always divides or bisect the base. That means bisect means it cut the base into two equal halves. The height is the 90-degree perpendicular distance. This height AM is the height. Here AM is the height. This AM cut this base. Suppose this base is 10 cm. Okay. Then if it is a isosceles triangle whose two sides are equal, then the height AM cut this base into two equal halves, or it bisect the base, so that it will be how much and it will be how much? These two parts will be same because it bisect the base, it divides the base into two equal halves. Then we can write this CM is equal to BM because these are the two equal halves. And if it is 10 cm, then this will be 5 cm and this will be 5 cm. This is clear. Okay. So we got that the height of the isosceles triangle divides the base into two equal halves, so that BM is equal to CM. Clear? So you can write it. The height of the triangle or of the isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle divides the base into two equal halves. Clear? It is possible only for the isosceles triangle case and also equilateral triangle case. Okay, because why? Because in equilateral triangle also these two sides are also equal. Here also these two sides are equal. Here also these two sides are equal. These two sides are also equal this side. But leave this matter. Now you know that these two sides are equal, so that if you draw the height or perpendicular distance, then this perpendicular distance also cut the base into two equal halves. Okay. So now I am drawing one more diagram here. If this is an isosceles triangle, okay, and if it is this distance BC is 6 cm, then AM is the perpendicular height, then what is the value of BM and CM? As we know, the distance of BM and the distance of CM are equal and they are half of BC. Why they are half of BC? Because they are the two equal halves, and when two equal halves are joined together, they form 6 cm, isn't it? So, if the total distance is 6, then it will be 3. It will be 3. That means half of 6 by 2, that is 3. Okay. Now, if in case of 6, it will be not 6, but it is exactly 3.2. Okay. If the base distance is 3.2, then what is the distance of CM and BM? As you know, the distance of BM is equal to the distance of CM, and this is the half of the total distance, half, because these are the two equal halves. So BM is equal to half, means 3 by 2 divided by 2, half, 3 by 2 by 2. Now cancel it. 2 1s are 2, okay, 0.26, that is 1.6 cm. You can write this is 1.6 cm, this is 1.6 cm. Okay, now it is clear that the height of an isosceles triangle divides the base into two equal halves, so that BM is equal to CM. Clear now? Okay. Now we will do some problem relating to this. So first problem is, if ABC is an isosceles triangle, okay, and AM is the perpendicular height. It is the perpendicular height. If the total distance BC is 8.4 cm, the question asks us to find what is the value of cm. Okay, what is the value of cm? We need to find this part, cm. How? Since it is an isosceles triangle, and you know, for any isosceles triangle, the height cut the base into two equal halves. That means BM is equal to CM. Okay, and CM is half of the total base. Half means the total base is 8.4. It's half. That means by 2. Okay, so CM is equal to 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. 0.22 is 4, so 4.2 cm. Hence, you can write cm is equal to 4.2 cm. Okay. Now, by using the base, we can find its half, that is cm as well as bm. Okay. One more question is there. If in an isosceles triangle ABC, if this distance, this BM is 7 cm, okay, 7 cm, then find the base. So what is given here? Here it is given that AB is equal to AC, because it is an isosceles triangle. AM is the perpendicular height, or simply height, and the base BC is not given here. BC is not given here. BC asks us to find. What is given here? Here BM is given. Okay. Here BM is given. What is that? That is 7 cm. But we need to find the total base BC. Clear now? So how? Since we know that the perpendicular height divides the base into two equal halves. That means this half is equal to this half, or BM is equal to CM. Okay, BM is equal to CM. Since BM is how much? 7. So what is the value of CM? CM also 7. Because these two halves will be equal. So if it is 7, it is also 7. Okay. Now we need to find BC. This BC is equal to BM plus CM. Okay. Because these two halves are added to give BC. So BC is equal to BM plus CM. Okay. So here BM is 7, okay, and CM also 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14 cm. Hence, you can write the base BC is equal to 14 cm. Clear? Now, by taking or by using the BM, we can also find the total length of the base BC. Okay. Now we will find the area of the isosceles triangle. Okay. So here we have a question that if it is an isosceles triangle, okay, if two sides are equal and the height, this is the height part, okay, this is the perpendicular height, the height AM is 4 cm, and this part is known as the base part, and base is equal to BC. This is the base part. This is how much? 6 cm. Then find the area of the triangle. Okay. As we know, the area of an isosceles triangle is half whole into base into height. Okay. So here the base is BC into the height. Height is, this is height AM. Okay. So half whole into BC is how much? 6 cm into AM. AM is 4 cm. Clear? So now 6 4 are 24 by 2. 2 1 12, that is 12 square centimeter. Why it is square centimeter? Because here we find the area and the unit of area is square centimeter. Okay, because it is 6 cm, it is 4 cm. So cm into cm is same square. So I am writing 12 square centimeter, or you can write 12 centimeter square. Since it is given that the height and base also given, so we can easily find out the area of the triangle by using the half into base into height formula. Clear now? Coming to the question number 2. Okay. See what is given in question number 2. In question number 2, it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, whose side AB is equal to AC. So I am writing this here first. AB is equal to AC. Always write the data that has been given already. Okay. So AB is equal to AC. AB is how much? You can see AB is 5 cm. This is AB. So what is the length of AC? Then AC is also 5 cm because AB is equal to AC. And it is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Then what is given? This BM is given, not BC. BM is given only. So BM is 4 cm. Now what we will find? We will find the area. Area of the triangle. Okay. As we know, in order to find the area of the triangle, the formula is half into base into height. So do we have the base and height here in this diagram? See, the base is BC. Okay, I am writing this here. Here the base is BC. Don't the base is given? No, the base is not given. Base is BC. Base is not given here. So, don't the height is given here? Height is given here. Height is AM. No, the length of the height is also not given here, and the length of the base is also not given here. So how can we find the area? So for that, we first need to find the length of base, then the length of height, then using the formula to find the area. So our target is to find base and height. Okay. So how we can find the base? As we know, the base BC is equal to BM plus CM. Okay. As the height divides the base into 2 equal halves, so BM plus CM. Okay. Now BM is 4 cm. So CM also 4 cm because these two halves are equal. If it is 4, then it is also 4. Clear? So 4 plus 4, that is 8. Now the base part is completed. Now find the base, that is 8 cm. Clear? If it is 4, then the total is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8, or you can say 4 into 2 is 8. Okay. Now we will find the height part, that is AM. How we can find the height part? Okay, see how I am finding it. Here, what is given here? See, this is a triangle or not? Yes, this is a triangle. Okay, and if it is 90 degree, it is also 90 degree because it is a straight line. If it is 90, then 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. So it is a triangle. Okay, I am writing this ABM. ABM is a triangle. It is a 90 degree triangle, that means a right angle triangle. Okay, so ABM is a right angle triangle. Clear? This ABM is a right angled triangle. Okay, since it is a right angled triangle, in this right angled triangle I am drawing this part is drawing here. This is A, this is B, and this is M. Okay, This is 4 and it is 5. We have to find this AM part. Okay, it is 90 degrees. So it is a right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, we have the corner region or the hypotenuse. This is known as H. H is 5 cm. This is the base part. B is 4 cm. So we have to only find this AP, that is the height, that is P. Okay, perpendicular height. We need to find the P value. As you know, according to the Pythagoras theorem, I have already told you in chapter 1 that according to the Pythagoras theorem, if any two sides of a right angle triangle is given, then the third side can be calculated by using the formula. What is that formula? The formula is H is equal to P square plus B square root over, or P is equal to H square minus B square root over, or B is equal to H square minus P square root over. If we need to find H, then we will use this formula. If we will need B to find, then we can use this formula. If we need P to find, then we can use this formula. And here what we need? We need P. So we can use the second one. What is that? That is P is equal to square root of H square minus B square. Okay. So P is equal to, here H square is 5 square minus B is 4 square. So P is equal to 5 square, that 25 minus 16 root over, that is 9 root over. Hence P is equal to 3 cm. Now this is 3 cm and this is AM and this is also AM. So this AM is 3 cm. Clear? By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the perpendicular height of the isosceles triangle. That is 3 cm here. Clear now? So I can write this height AM is 3 cm. Okay. Now our target is fulfilled. We find the base and height. Now we can use the formula. What is the formula? The formula is half, area is half, base into height. So half into base is 8 cm and height is 3 cm. 8 is at 24 by 2. That is 12. So the area is 12 square centimeter. Okay. It is clear? So we can perform one more question like this. Okay. Suppose this is an isosceles triangle if one of its side is 10 cm. So if it is 10 cm, then it will be also 10 cm. Okay. And if BM is 4 cm, then find the area. Okay. Using the same formula, we first find the area. How? First write down what is given here. Here given AB is equal to 10 AB. AC is equal to 10. BM is equal to 4. So we need to find area. Area, that is half into base into height. Here base is not given. Since it is 4, then it should be 4. So the total base BC is equal to this BM plus 4. 8. Now base is completed. Now find the height AM. See, here this is an right angle triangle. I am writing this here. Okay. If this is a right angle triangle and this BMA and AB is 10, BM is 4, and we need to find this perpendicular height, that is P. As you know, P P is equal to square root of x square minus b square. So P is equal to, here h is, this is h. H is how much? 10. This is the diagonal position, corner position. This is the base. B is equal to 4. So 10 square minus 4 square. So P is equal to 100 minus 16. Okay. So P is equal to square root of 84. So by factorizing 84 you will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. So finally you get P is equal to, for 2 2's it is 2 and square root of 3 into 7. Hence P is equal to 2 root over of 21. Now this P is completed to find. So P is 2 root 21. You can write this P is 2 root 21. This is the height part. Okay. Now height is given. What is that height? That is AM. 2 root 21. Now we will find the area. Area formula is half into base into height. So use this formula. This is half whole into. Base is 8 into height is 2 root 21. Clear? Now you can cancel half. 2 to cancel. 2 1 to 1. So the remaining is 8 root over 21 square centimeter. Okay. So this is the area of the triangle. Okay. So you need to find the height by using Pythagoras theorem. Then you have to find the base by simply doubling the BM. And now use the formula to find the area of the isosceles triangle.